Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to part 3 of our MATLAB Beginner Series. In today's video, I will write and run our very first MATLAB program together using skills we learned in previous lecture. What you will learn today: how to create a script.m file, how to write a basic MATLAB commands, how to run your program and see the output, some fun with variables, math and plotting. Part 1. Create a new script. Let's begin. Open MATLAB and go to the Home tab and click on New Script. Here you click on New Script. You can see it's clicked on New Script. Now this open the MATLAB editor where you will write our first program. You can see here is editor, and there we will write our first program. In a new script, type the following code. Let's suppose you can first here we write my first program in MATLAB. So now we here write our first program. First we use commands to clear screen, to clear a command window, and if there are any backend plot or anything they close. We use command cl here clr clc sorry clc comma clear command comma and close R. Now we move to our next part. There now we declare variable a and b. First we write here comment out variables. Now here a is equal to, we say 5 and we say b is equal to next. Here we are doing a sum of a and b, so now we use sum is equal to a plus b and semicolon. Now we use our DISP display means display. DISP display means command. This command to use here DISP. This we are doing our a and b result shown here in string. This is a and b, so this is sum of a and b, and slash we use here slash sum. Which sum above we use there. Here this sum is this one. Now we run our program and see the output. Here. Before I run the program, first I explain the explanation. CLC command clear, CLC clear, comma close all. They are used to clean up the command window, memory and plots. We define two variables a and b, then we calculated their sum, and finally we use DISP this function to display the result, to show the results. Now we run the script, and now click on the green button in the toolbar. MATLAB will ask you to save the script, name it my first program. My first program, name it. Now we save, Control S. Here the title, we give program.m and then save. Now our program is saved, and once saved, your result will appear in the command window. And now we run our program here. Now you can see the sum of A and B is 15. So now we move to our next program. Now add simple plot program. So let's make it more fun. Now add this simple plotting code below, and we see the result of X and Y. Now we paste. Now we add a new script. You can add here also, and you can click on plus icon there. You can see new script will be there. Just I click there, and I have a code and post. Now we run our this program. First save the name with sign or something. We save it sign. Now we run our this program. Now that you can see the here plot of the program, sine wave. Now you can see here the sine wave of our program. Here is sine wave of our x is equal to 0 colon 0.1 colon 2 multiplied by creates a vector from 0 to 2 pi, and y is equal to sine x calculates sine waves. Plot x comma y, draws the graph. Now title and axis label, take it readable, and you can see in our code x label here, y label, and our sine wave title. Now we move to our next part. Now run script again, you will see the beautiful sine wave. And now save and organize. Save your work regularly. Scroll all script in folder. MATLAB automatically tracks variables and files. Make use of workspace and current folder panels. MATLAB workspace means a database like where you store your data. MATLAB also have a workspace to store data. Try this challenge and try writing a new program that multiples two numbers, finds their average, plots a concise graph. Let me know in the comments if you tried it. Closing and next steps. So this was your first official MATLAB program. Great job if you follow along. In the next video, we will learn about built-in MATLAB functions, custom functions, and how to organize your code better. If you learned something, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the class. Drop a comment if your first program worked, or if you had any queries, any error occurs. I will reply and help you out. Thank you.